Hello and welcome everyone. In today's vlog we are bringing you our room at the Excalibur. We stayed in the Royal Tower King room. The room was clean, the bed was comfortable, it was convenient because we had family staying at the same place. Paid for an upgrade, which we wish we wouldn't have because our views suck. I'd like to thank you for watching, and if you made it this far, let's hit that subscribe button. We're trying to grow our channel, and it's the quickest and easiest way to do so.